The moss coverage here is denser than the initial readings. Agreed. Let's get a structural integrity scan on the lower jaw. Together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Heave! Let's get this one. Watch your back with that.
The damage here is extensive. It's too dark. Use the light. What is that in there? It's not our light.
Keep them coming. Unload the excavator first.
Copy that. Moving into position.
Watch the clearance. Get those straps off.
Keep the tension on that line. Roger that. Lowering the gear. Watch your step up here, lad. Okay, team, focus on the structural integrity near the jaws.
Got it.
We'll reinforce the tail section next.
Understood. Let's move out.
Mind the tracery, careful. Almost there, looks perfect. Now for the glass. Hand me the panel.
We did it!
Absolutely magnificent. Our greatest achievement.
Keep the pressure steady. We're almost done with this side. Copy that. Just a few more patches left near the base. Lift. All right, higher. Locked. Perfect.
Keep your beams focused.
Watch your step.
This place is massive.
Keep it moving. Shovels up. Clear the center. Let's fill these carts.
Keep it smooth. Looking good. Just need this last patch. Keep your lights up. Check that column. Watch your step. The floor looks unstable. A little to the left, slowly now.
Steady, I've got the weight.
Looks aligned? Go ahead and secure the mounts.
Bring it down slowly now. Watch the cables.
It's clear on this side.
All right, powering up the lights.
Set it down slowly now.
Okay, easy, easy.
Perfect, leave it there.
Make sure that's secure. Okay, try the switch now.
Power's on.
Wow, the amber is perfect.
Easy now, lower it slowly. Got it. Hold it right there. Looks aligned. Lower it slowly, watch the left side.
Okay, steady now. Okay, gently now. Bring it slightly to the left.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Set it down slowly.